soft life. But guys, I must confess to you, so I have this guy. Yes, Hey human, I'm a Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Today I will be sharing with you a captivating story while I wear my makeup. And the story is about my hookup life. Yes, my hookup. You will be getting all of the juices, so get your brushes out. I love to start my makeup with foundation and my Barrett's Miracle in a Tube moisturizing cream. So you all know what hookup is, right? In case you don't know, well, I'll tell you as the makeup goes on. Alright, so hookup is, you get a guy that just takes care of you. Well, I have that guy. I do, and I'm not ashamed about it. I mean, what do you expect? I'm a woman, and a woman has needs, guys. A woman has needs like hair, vacation, houses, and what have you. Who is gonna supply all of those needs? Who would take care of all those needs? You gotta be kidding me. You need a man, God. You need someone. I'm basically talking about the soft life. Who doesn't like a soft life? I know that I like the soft life. Don't pretend to me that you do not like soft life. Huh? Oh, like I was saying, exploring our desires and connecting with others can be really, really, really thrilling. Intimacy is beautiful. But I have a question. Shouldn't we create boundaries and respect, boundaries of respect, trust and consent? I think we should. So I'm just doing my eyeshadow. We're popping some colors. I mean, you're a woman and you're human who has desires, What do you do with those desires? And then you also want to create highlight like so. You want to check my other videos where you see all of the step one, all of the steps that I am doing in its detail. So I am embarking on a 1-month vlog called Vlogly. Today is another day of my we're going to have to add more powder to our skin so that this doesn't look too much. I have this guy that anytime I have a need, he always provides. Always. He shows up for me. How do I say this? He shows up, but even though sometimes, some of my needs and my desires, he can delay it, and I may not get it exactly as I want it or when I want it, but the point is my needs and my wants are met. They are tended to at the end of the day. how I brought in a dark eyeshadow to kind of reduce this boldness. You know, we are in our 40s and above. You don't want to be wearing too much makeup. So this is how I go about it. Let me know in the comment section if you think this look I am going for looks good already. I know it does. I know. In case you're wondering, this is what I am using. So I'm using the darkest. Can you see it? This one. Over that pink eyeshadow. If you like a lot of drama, it's okay, but I don't. So at this point, I'm going to be applying my highlight like so. And I'll bring it to my nose like so, and to my lips like so. So we are not doing too much. And for blush, I will be using this orange shade. And there you have it. So I'll be back to our story. Remember the foundation here. There was no way I could continue the story with my lips sealed. Hey, just hang on. Alright, that's how you do that, and I'll come back again with my palette. Light shade to highlight. Once you appear to be doing well, what happens is most people begin to insinuate how easy was that? Like I was saying, people begin to insinuate that you are into hookup. Why do you guys do that? Are you trying to say that people do not work hard, especially ladies? So it's raining and it's kind of hard to talk when you are walking around your eye area. I lined my eyes and I could hardly talk to you guys. But like I was saying, you know, it's disappointing to see that people just assume that if you're living good, you are not a hard worker, or God does not bless you. So for me, my guy is nobody but Jesus, and I rely on Philippians 4:19. Oops. Philippians 4:19 that says, "But my God shall supply all your needs, all of them, according to his riches in glory." So just keep trusting God for everything. Nothing is impossible with God. That's how I live my life, trusting God with all of the wisdom he's given to me. I apply them in my businesses. I mind my business. I eat well. I drink a lot of water. I eat healthy. And at this point, I would like you to please like this video. Leave me a comment or two. Let me know what you thought about this is me trying the storytelling and content. Let me know what you thought about my trial. Alrighty guys, I love you. Have yourself a lovely day. Mwah. Bye.